everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This occasion, I want to discuss about coughing, which is about the cause, the how to treat it. Before I will introduce myself, my name is Grace Inriani. My nickname is Grace. I am 20 years old. I am student University of Maritim Raja Ali Haji, Management Major. I live in Arjuna Street. Coughing is a natural response from the body as a defense system to remove substance and particles from the respiratory tract and prevent foreign objects from entering the lower airway. Coughing causes such as exposure to dust, virus infection, smoking, and damage to the vocal cords. Let's go back to the home remedies tutorial. Okay, ingredient is warm water, lime, and sugar. Okay, first prepare half glass warm water, lime, and sugar. Second, squeeze the lime into the warm water. You can see. Okay, one again. Next, add half a tablespoon of sugar. Next, stir until mixed. Okay, finally, cough medis ready to drink. Okay, thank you for watching and see you.